Do you want to know how to combine multiple email addresses into one line using Excel? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. If you have a long list of email addresses that you are wanting to send a message to, it can be difficult to near impossible to copy and paste them one by one into an email. But I'm going to walk through a simple Excel function that will make the process of combining all those email addresses into one line. So it might seem tricky at first, but trust me, it's super simple and only take a moment. First, click into the cell next to the email addresses you want to combine. Then type equal text join followed by a parenthesis, add quotation mark, and then insert a semicolon followed by another quotation mark and a comma. Now you are going to want to type either true or false. You are going to use true more often. This means if there is a blank space or cell, to simply ignore it. If you type false, it will include the blank space in your final output. Now add another comma and select the email address that you want to combine, and then add another parenthesis and enter. Now you have your email ready list of addresses to copy and paste. To eliminate the chance of error when copying and pasting, right click and select copy. Go into another cell, right click and click paste values. Now you are all set to copy and paste this again into an email. And there you go. You have your long list of email addresses copied and pasted perfectly into an email. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.